Hello viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to our channel. I hope all of you are doing very good. We are also very good. So here we are today again with a new vlog, and this is my teddy.
This is my teddy.
So today we went to the market to do some puja shoppings for our house. First we went to Big Bazaar and then to Vishal. And today our city was filled with lights and was ready for celebrations. I think 50% of the people came out on the road today, and the footpaths were so busy. Everyone was enjoying, there was laughter and merriment, and everyone was enjoying street food. As we were walking and seeing the people enjoying the street food, we also felt tempted. But the next moment, when mom asked if we wanted something, my answer was no, because it is corona season and the roads are filled with dust and pollution, and it is Navratri time too, and they are touching all the veg things with the non-veg things, so it is better not to have and eat at home. Here Jia is checking all the toys that the hawkers are displaying on the footpath. The waffle store is inviting me to have some waffles. We came to Big Bazaar to check the latest collection of FBB. See this mannequin and her swag. This is us. Next, we came to Vishal to buy some bed sheets, curtains, and bed covers. Say hi.
Huh?
Hi.
Hi.
We also needed some glasswares because we are shifting our crockery from steel and plastic to glass. Vishal has some amazing glassware collection and the offers are too good. You get the one too.
ये भी अच्छा है कितना है ये अच्छा है ये ले लो अच्छा है
So we bought these things. For our 2 bedrooms, we need 2 sets of bed sheets and 2 sets of bed covers. But today we bought only one because we did not like the stock, because people have already taken the nice ones. But the sales girl said that they will restock by next week. So maybe before Puja and surely before Diwali, we will be getting some more. This is the pattern of this bedsheet. The material is very good. It's 100% cotton, and we don't use polycotton bed sheets in our beds because they are not comfortable. Next, we bought some curtains. We will put them in our door for our doors, but we can put the curtains only after Papa comes. Really long. Better than that.
अच्छा देखा
Next, we bought some trays because our previous trays have become totally discolored. They even wrote the recipe here.
ला 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 हम लोग को ऐसा करना है वैसा करना है वैसा करना है
And a pouch of refined oil. And next, I liked something so much that I bought it without any plan. It's a 11-piece dessert set. Since it is Puja then Diwali, so everyone has mithai and desserts, so we desperately needed this one. It has 8 bowls, one big bowl with a lid and one serving spoon. And all this for only $1.99.
आइसक्रीम बैठ रही हूँ
this was all about our today's shopping, and tell me in the comments what is your opinion about our shopping.
Ice cream. और ये भी खाना 10 बाटी 10 बाटी 10 बाटी खाने.
So this was all about our
today's vlog, and if you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you get the notification whenever we upload a new video. Bella ciao.
Bella ciao. Huh? How is it looking?
Papas.
What?
Chalo, chalo.